In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create meeting notes in both Google Calendar and Google Meet. This is a handy skill to have, whether you're organizing a team discussion, planning a family virtual get-together, or just trying to keep track of important meeting details. We'll walk through this process step by step, so let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Google Meet. Once you're there, you should see various options to start or join a meeting. For our purpose, clearly displayed on the main page is the option you'll want to click on, which is New Meeting. This is your gateway to setting up a brand new meeting session where you'll be adding those all-important notes. Now once you've clicked on New Meeting, instead of starting the meeting immediately, what we'll need to do is schedule it through Google Calendar. As you proceed, you'll see an option that says Schedule in Google Calendar. This tool is incredibly useful because it not only helps in organizing your meet schedule, but also gives you the ability to structure the meeting details very firmly. Next, once you're in Google Calendar, you'll enter the event editing interface. This page will allow you to set all the specifics for your meeting, such as the date, time, and guests. The essential part here is to make sure you include all necessary people and assign the right time slot that suits everyone. Now in the details panel, you'll find an option labeled Add Description or Attachments. Click on this section. This option is a fantastic addition because it lets you input any preliminary meeting notes or agendas that you might want the participants to take a look at. Whether it's a simple agenda, topic notes, or a more detailed briefing document, you can attach files that ensure everyone is ready to contribute meaningfully to the meeting. And that's essentially it. Once you've filled out your meeting information, don't forget to review all the information. Make sure it all looks correct, checking times, guest invites, and all the description or attachments included. At this point, you're ready to hit save. When prompted, make sure to send invitations to your guests. This ensures everyone gets the meeting details straight away and can prepare accordingly. Congratulations, you've successfully created a meeting invite with detailed notes using Google Meet and Google Calendar. This process sets a professional tone and ensures everyone enters the meeting well prepared. Keep practicing and it will soon become second nature. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you organize even better virtual meetings.